Good morning, viewers. Welcome to consumer shorthand classes. This speed is of 8 words per minute and it is pertain to Telangana state government, and the speed was dictated in the examination held in the month of January 2023. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to be here this afternoon to address the All India Tribal Welfare Conference. The selection of the place of conference is the evidence of the deep interest and the efforts made by the government and the organization towards studying the problems of tribals and also providing solutions to many of the issues opposing them. It is unfortunate that the tribals have not only been neglected but they were also exploited for centuries. In accordance with the provisions of the Constitution of India, the successive governments have taken various steps to improve the economic and social conditions of the scheduled tribes. Apart from the right to equality included in the fundamental rights, the specific provisions have been made for the advancement of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The Government of India is fully aware of its responsibility towards these less fortunate citizens who, for ages, had been exploited, suppressed, and treated as slaves. In order to raise the social and economic standards of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, special programs have been designed and implemented through the developmental plans. The funds under the backward classes sector are supplemental to the funds provided in the general sector. Over the years, the successive governments have been spending large sums of money through 5-year plans, but in spite of it, we must admit that the welfare measures have hardly improved the social and economic conditions of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and much more efforts have to be made if you want to bring the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes on par with general population. I am happy to go through the report of the study team of tribal development programs. It is a fact that the tribals in all parts of the country are heavily indebted and are alienated from land which they have been cultivating for generations. They are also educationally backward, and there is a lack of communication between the tribals and non-tribals. However much we have made attempts in the past on developmental activities, there has been a considerable gap between the promises and performance. While there is so happenings outside the tribal areas do come to the notice of the tribals, who are fast realizing that they could no longer be neglected, and they feel that the remedy to their ills could be found only by doing away with the existing system. Dear sir, in reply to your letter, we are sorry to inform you that we are unable to give a special tariff for the tables indicated in your letter. We shall be happy to supply you at the ordinary rates if you give your confirmed order. The tables are of the best quality, and let us have an order for these tables so that we can make necessary arrangements to deliver the goods in time as per your order. As there is much demand for these tables, we cannot make this offer beyond Monday next. The terms and conditions are enclosed along with this letter. With regard to your other letter for the supply of office equipment such as computer tables, gift items for the coming new year, we have immediately forwarded your letter to our sister company at West Mumbai. They have given a mail to us indicating that they are shortly sending their representative to your office. Yours faithfully. That's all.